This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Sylvia Icaza. This beachfront building is located in the beautiful town of Surfside. Spacious 1-bedroom, 1.5 bathrooms unit on the south, east side. Floor-to-ceiling sliding glass doors, foyer entry. Large balcony with delightful ocean and skyline views, recently purchased stainless steel appliances, range, refrigerator, microwave, dishwasher. Master suite with walk-in closet, marble bathroom has double sink and tub. Plenty of closet space, newer washer/dryer in unit, accordion hurricane shutters. The building features a pool, spa, men and women saunas, party room, library, gym, and the perfect outdoor setting by the beach to relax, barbecue, and take in the sun. Walking distance to houses of worship, Bal Harbour Shops, restaurants, the banking district and more.